Hello everyone. Oyster sauce lettuce may seem simple, but many people still can't get it right. If you just blanch the lettuce directly, that's a mistake. No wonder it turns yellow and doesn't taste good. Today, I'm going to share with you the correct way to make oyster sauce lettuce. When it's done, the lettuce is bright green and not yellow at all. Let's see how I do it. Today, I spent yuan to buy 2 heads of lettuce. Use a knife to cut off the root of the lettuce so the leaves will naturally separate. Then just separate the lettuce leaves. Next, put them into a large bowl. Rinse each lettuce leaf thoroughly under running water to remove any insect eggs and impurities from the surface. After washing, drain the water from the lettuce. Next, prepare 5 cloves of garlic and slice them. Then chop them into minced garlic. After chopping, place the garlic in a plate and set aside. Next, add a large spoonful of oyster sauce to a bowl. Add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce. Add a little bit of pepper to enhance the aroma. Then add a spoonful of cornstarch. Add a large spoonful of water. Then use a small spoon to stir everything well until the seasonings are fully dissolved. After mixing well, set it aside for later use. Bring water to a boil in advance in a pot, then add a spoonful of salt. Add a little cooking oil. Stir with a spoon to mix well. Then put the washed lettuce into the pot. Many people just put the lettuce directly into the pot to blanch it, but that can easily cause the lettuce to turn yellow. Moreover, the lettuce will also taste a bit bitter. Cooking oil can form a protective layer to prevent the lettuce from oxidizing and turning yellow when heated. Adding salt not only enhances the base flavor of the lettuce, but also makes its color even greener. With my method, the blanched lettuce comes out crisp and tender, not bitter, and has a bright, glossy green color. Since lettuce can be eaten raw, you shouldn't blanch it for too long. We just need to blanch the lettuce until it's about 60% cooked. That's when the texture is at its best. If it's overcooked, it won't be crisp anymore. Transfer it to a plate. Add a little oil to the pan, and once it's hot, add the minced garlic. Stir fry until fragrant. Once it's aromatic, pour in the prepared sauce. Then keep stirring with a spatula to bring out the aroma of the sauce and reduce the liquid until it thickens. When you see dense little bubbles and the sauce reaches this level of thickness, it's ready. Finally, pour the sauce evenly over the lettuce. A simple and delicious dish of lettuce with oyster sauce is now ready. The lettuce is bright green without any yellowing, crisp and tasty, with a rich yet light aroma, nutritious and healthy. If you like my video, remember to like, comment, and share it. Thank you for your support.